Assalamoalaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and welcome back to my channel, Technical Savvy. I hope you all are doing fine by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And today I'm going to show you how to add an elder screen to your video like I added in my previous video. So click on the link given below in the description, and now let's start a tutorial. We're going to use the app called Mini Movie Maker to make the video, which I'll show you in my next video how to use. Now let's start our video. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So just click on the link below and you'll be taken to this site, and you can choose any font which you want by scrolling down. And here there are much more fonts, but I like this one already, so I just chose it. And you can upload your own photo from here by clicking on the upload image, and I already chose this flower one. And you can add like a name to the video, like thanks for watching, see you next, edit the text, yeah, like thanks for watching, and I'm gonna name it see you next time. See you next time. And I don't have any Twitter page, so I'm just gonna, erase the Twitter page. I erased it already, and now it's gone all gone. So, okay. My username for my Facebook. I have a Facebook page, and the name I'm writing over here. I don't have a Twitter page, so just gonna erase it up. But it sometimes comments, sometimes not. And my Instagram page is also, I also have an Instagram page. And my YouTube page, Technical Study. And you can also add your own text like I did over here. I added my channel name, Technical Study, over here. So how to do that, I'll show you. Just click on add text. Well, I already added, but I won't have the option again. So you can just add your own text, and you can also add a logo. Logo means an image or like of your channel or something like that. So I want to add my channel image right now. I'm gonna add it next time, and whatever. Now let's continue on. And so now I'm gonna save it. So to save the video, the image, we're going to click on download. But you see, 1 second, is kind of floating here. You see it's saying to purchase, but we don't want to purchase it. We want to do it for free. And some people want to purchase it, so you can purchase, but I want to do it for free. So to do it for free, just click on the share button over here, and it's going to be generating a share URL or share link, and then just copy the generated link and paste it on your browser. Okay, and here it is, and you can click on right click it, right click, and click on save it. I've already saved it, so I don't have to save it again. But if you say so, I'm gonna just do it. I'm gonna name it end screen. Well, I already have an end screen. First of all files, and have it. So I'm gonna name it end screen 2. Now I'm gonna open Mini Tool Movie Maker, which I'm gonna show you in my other videos how to download and use. And now my Mini Tool is open. I'm gonna click on New Project. Here we go, New Project, and here are my images and the file. And YouTube does not support end screen in video shorter than 25 seconds. So you can make the video longer. So here, an image we can make longer. Like duration, we can do it 10 seconds. And it's 21 still. 15 seconds, yeah, 27 now. It is 27 seconds end screen. And now we're gonna click on the export to save the file. And I already have the file saved. over in the desktop. And the desktop I've saved it, so we don't need to do it again. So I'm going to open my browser and upload the video. I'm going to click on create. And now I will make the title, and I'm going to click on next. Video elements, I'm going to add an end screen. I already added it, so that's why I say edit. But you're going to click on add, and well, element. Actually, don't know how it went, but you're going to have many options in the starting, and you can select one. And here I've selected it. And from 20 seconds onwards, here is the end screen, and you can also replace it. Like if your circle's here, you can put it here, and if your video is here, you can place it here. But actually, my square is here, and the circle is here. So I'm gonna save now. Next, save. Private, and save. I hope you learned something from this video. Jazakallahu khairan kathiran, and see you in my next video. Until next time, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.